Hi, welcome to my new unboxing video. So today I have here the box I was super excited about. It's called FabFitFun. Okay, let's open it and look what we have up there. So this is the subscription box that I'm trying for the first time. So it's basically the box that you get every season. So this is the summer box, and this is my first box because I signed up with them in the beginning of May. Okay, let's see what we have here. I'm so excited to see. Oh, actually we have real fun box inside this box, because I was actually wondering why just regular box here, because usually we have all these brightful colorful boxes. So this is inside. Okay, so what's included here is summer 2020 box and some extra that I bought separate on their website. So let's see. Okay, so let's start with my favorite thing. Okay, this is Spongelli body wash infused buffer. So I tried for the first time last month, then I tried for the first time single swag box. So, and I'm so much in love. I have a honey infused, something the same but like twice smaller, and I love it so much. It's very cute and super nice stuff. So, and this was extra. Actually, you have a box for the specific price, and whatever you buy separate is only gonna be like you pay extra for it. So, and I actually didn't pay anything for all the stuff I have here, because I use my referral link on Facebook, and I got like $45 with referral link. So you, for each person who sign up with your link, you have $15. So I have about $50 or $60, and I just bought some stuff that I saw there that I like it. So I didn't pay anything at all for this stuff. Basically, I tried this box with like first time offer, and it was about $10 off, I guess. So it's $39 plus tax. Every 4 months, every season, you pay $42. So I paid for this one about about 31 or something. So, and this is my first box, and I buy it like I'm gonna pay it like every 4 months. So next time it's gonna be, I guess, in September. I actually have no idea. This is my first box, so I'll see what's gonna be. So this is a bamboo hairbrush. This is super good. I saw it on the website and I so much liked it, so I decided to try this one. It was $17 on FabFitFun website, and this is $36 retail. So it's very good brush. Of course, this is Spongelli, and it lasts about 14 plus washes. So, and I don't know how much actually it cost, but it's something about $16 or something like that. And you got it like, I don't have these prices unfortunately on this list, but it's something about $11, yeah. So this is makeup remover wipes. So I just want to buy something to use all this money. And I also have 2 more items that was together these wipes. So this is, let's see. Hey, this is deodorant, and this aluminum free and all the natural blah blah blah. So I never tried before, so I just decided to give it a try, because as for me, I never find any organic deodorant that has no aluminum good for me. So let's see what's gonna be of type A deodorant. So, and what else? Okay, this is a FabFitFun Summer box. Okay, they have a summer catalog here. Yeah, this is like explains everything that this box has. So the total value of this box is about $225, from $225 to $477 plus. So, and this is like all what could be in your box. It's not going to be all of these items. It's like 8 items that you personally decided that you wanna try. Okay, so since I'm just regular member, not like seasonal. Seasonal member, not like select member. Seasonal member, it's then you pay like once in a 3 months, I guess. Yeah, like I paid in May, so next time I believe it's gonna be in September. But if you pay for whole year in advance, it's about $170 something. You gonna be called select member, and in this case you have more privileges, like you can you have access to sales early, so your box ship out early, and also you have more choices to choose from. As for me, I had only 3 items that I could choose. So, and from this list, I'm sure I have this this Draper James straw bag, this one, and I know for sure that I have this Michael Kors passport wallet. I'm not sure what the third item I choose, so let's see. It actually took a while. Tomorrow is, oh yes, I see some items. These sunglasses that I personally choose from Tom's, Sydney sunglasses, and the rest, so it's like 3 items, and the rest 5 items, it's gonna be surprise. I have no idea what it's gonna be, so just let's see. So basically I pay for this subscription on May, I guess on May 8th I believe, and tomorrow is July 1st, so it took almost 2 months for me to get it, and it was actually long delivery, but I guess it's all because of this pandemic situation around. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Okay, everything looks so neat and so cute. Okay, so I see some items that I'm not super excited like about this vase, because I don't really need the vase, so let's see. So I travel a lot, and this passport holder is gonna be a huge deal for me, so, and I'm pretty happy that I had a chance to choose it. Okay, let's see. Okay, so cute. It has an ID place and some slots for credit cards and for passport itself. So I love it. It's very nice and touch. So it's, I believe it's leather. It's supposed to be leather, so, but it's very cute. I really like it. Okay, what else? So this is a pillow sleeve. It's like a silked liver. It's not a silk, but it's silked. So let's see how it feels. It's looked like this. Okay, it's some like a grayish silverish color, and actually it's super cute. It's like one side is This side is like more like a cotton, I guess. I'm not sure. And this one is more like a silkish side. Yeah, I like it. It's actually open from both sides, so it's like interesting. You basically can see through it. Yeah, I never saw it before, but I like it. Okay, so this is my sunglasses. So since I always wear like Ray-Bans, some colorful sunglasses, I wanted something more classy, like black ones. So this is it. I hope they gonna look nice on me. Yeah, actually I like it. Yeah, they look nice. It's like a greenish here. It says traveler collection, so made in Cambodia. Hey, look pretty good. Okay, so this is one of those items that I don't really need, and this is eyebrow pencil. Yeah, eyebrow pencil. The brand is, I'm not sure if it can be seen here. It's called Vinkilux. Never heard of it, so good option to give someone. I'm just going to regift it. And this one from the same brand as Fun Jelly, the same brand as this one. This is hand cream. So let's see how it smells. Yeah, it's something like vanilla and oh yeah, it's shea butter and argan oil. Yeah, it smells pretty nice. Okay, so what else we have here? Okay, we have this blending sponge. One more item to regift because I don't personally use them. Never did, so not a big fan of foundation. Okay, so pretty nice color, looks good. So it's a good item to regift as well. Okay, let's take a look on this vase. Okay, so this is, I'm not sure how it's spelled, Isaac Mizrahi, and it's called Sienna, and the ceramic vase. Okay, let's take a look. This is actually most likely gonna be regifted as well because I'm not a fan of it, and actually not sure why they send me home item, because on the website you have an option to choose what you would like to have in your boxes, like love, it's okay, like so something like that, and something I don't want to have it in my boxes at all. So, and I choose I don't want to have in my boxes at all something like this. So, but they send me it anyway. Not sure if it's even useful. Okay, so it looks really cute, but yeah, it looks cute, and it's like a small one, like my hand. I like it, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be just one more gift for some. Not really interesting for me. Okay, and this is a bag. So I decided to pick one of my choices as a bag, and this is like 10 colors, so it's like a straw 10 colors, so, and this is perfect for most of my Lily Pulitzer outfits. Okay, let's see. It wasn't really many choices to choose from, so that's why I decided to take this bag. And yeah, it's actually cute. It has a zip pocket inside, and here you have this logo, Draper James. I don't know anything about this brand personally, and this is like a clip here. Okay. It's pretty decent one, so I can't say like I'm so obsessed in it or something, like I like it so much, but it's really nice. I mean, it's super summerish, and this scarf, it looks just super attractive, I guess. Yep. So, and this retail price is about $75 of this, just this one item by itself. Okay, so, and this is it. Okay, to sum it up, I can say that I'm pretty satisfied with my FabFitFun box, my first FabFitFun box. And I hope you get some useful information for you. I'll see you soon with more videos.